Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 295T. It's a 2019 Arctic Fox. We're proud to be a Northwood dealer. We were one of their very first dealers when they opened their plant up in La Grande, Oregon. It's very well received in this part of the country. It is very well insulated and very much a Four Seasons coach. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside. The friction doors stay open on their own. Nice, you don't have the rod or any clips to deal with. You've got a nice grab handle going in, and the solid secure steps that fold up into the coach when you're traveling. This coach has dual pane windows all the way through. Big back window, all the windows open up. It's got Thomas Paine recliners in the back, a Thomas Paine reclining love seat right here, theater seating. It's got the nice dining room table, and this is extended out. It extends out, makes a real good sized table. It's got beautiful cabinetry all the way through, solid wood. Nice flat screen TV. AM/FM with a DVD player and a CD player. This trickle solar panel. This has got the electric fireplace, which is great. It heats up the whole coach very comfortably. It's got a ceiling fan, fantastic vent over your galley, nice skylight, solid counter surfaces, huge deep stainless steel sink. Little place here where you can put your trash and you take it out on the other side. I'll show you in a second. Great storage all the way through. Nice convection oven along with the gas grill top and the larger gas oven. Got the big 18 cubic foot refrigerator freezer by Norcold with adjustable temperature. I was going to show you here, you've got a bank of drawers here, another bank of drawers right over here, and then you're over on this side you do have the area you can get to your waste paper container. Let's go up into the restroom and the bedroom suite. It's got the nice oversized shower with the seat, skylight above it, separate water closet with porcelain toilet, linen storage above, and a fantastic fan. I don't know if I mentioned, but these are solid doors that close off the bedroom from the bathroom. There's another one as you step into the bathroom. King size bed with windows on each side of the bed for cross ventilation. Another fantastic fan, another skylight. The bed system's unique. It's built on a pedestal that has some give to it. It almost works like a box spring. Pre-wired for a TV in the bedroom, another set of chest of drawers, storage on each side, nice cedar-lined wardrobe, and this is designed to put a combo washer and dryer in it. Nice full-size electric awning. It's got Goodyear tires that are actually Goodyears that were produced here in the United States. It's got an electric level up system. Small amount of storage and access to your plumbing. Heated belly, and it's very nice storage area. You've got a lot of belly storage. Pre-wired for a second outside TV if you want to have one. Notice the oversized propane bottles are right here, located on one side, so it's easy for refilling. Arctic Fox has the Moride hitch pin on it. Nice LED lighting above. Also has, and light strips that go up the center. A generator compartment if you decide you want to put one in it. The batteries are on slide out trays for easy maintenance and access. It is a 50 amp service. Your docking station is all centrally located right here with a battery disconnect, your black water flush, your winterized valve, your water heater bypass, and of course your outside shower. You've got your full electric level up system is located right here on your panel. You just push a button, automatically levels itself out. It's a nice feature. Your power cord is on a electric reel. These 50 amp cords are pretty heavy, and that way you're not fighting it. You can just reel it right up. Another thing that the gals love, and a lot of us guys do too, you don't run out of hot water. It's got a 16-gallon hot water tank, gas electric. Got a light here for your docking station so you can see to unhook and hook your black and your gray waste valves. Of course, it has a back fiberglass cap with the ladder that accesses the roof. This particular coach even has a backup camera on it. Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Look forward to hearing from you. You can reach me on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. We've got a great selection of Arctic Fox fifth wheels. Thanks for your time.